What's up guys, Craig here, Fergie, JKU. Today I'm gonna do two things. I'm gonna install some new brake pads on my rear. I'm gonna use this Power Stop Extreme truck and tow. I did the same brake pads on my front not too long ago, but I'm gonna put these on the back. And then while I'm doing that, I'm also gonna do a tire rotation because I'm gonna do an oil change probably tomorrow. So it's good to do a tire rotation every time you do an oil change. So I recently got a skid plate, so I'm gonna set myself some more time before I try that. So watch for that video coming soon. But anyway, I'm gonna do a tire rotation and yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so for the tire rotation, I'm going to rotate in my spare. So the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to take this one off first. This is going to go here. I'll draw out a little diagram, so hopefully right around there I'll have a diagram. But the spare will go to the back passenger side. Back passenger side will move to the front passenger side. The front passenger side will move to the back driver's side, and then the back driver's side will move up to the front driver's side, and then the front driver's side will become my spare. So I just got these Coopers STT Pros, super excited about them. Picked them up from Big O, and after I probably drove about 3,000-ish miles, we can check some of the wear from the current tire to the spare, which has not seen the road yet. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. So I'm gonna, got my jack stands out, need to break the bolts, take the spare off, and yeah, we'll get rolling. Alright guys, if you look at these two tires, I don't have a tread depth, but they're very similar. This is the spare that hasn't hit the ground yet, and this is the one that's been on the tire for roughly 3,000 miles. So why do you rotate? You rotate so your tires last longer, you save more money, you get even tread. Those are the biggest reasons. So I'm going to move. The spare is going to go here, and then this one's going to move up there. But before I do that, I'm going to work on my brakes. Alright guys, here's my brakes. Power Stop rotors, they're in great shape. The pads are not. So I need to undo the caliper. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Just finished up my tire rotation and my rear back brakes from Power Stop, and the whole thing maybe took me an hour. I ate dinner in the middle. Pretty simple. Tire rotation when you do your oil change just adds a little bit of time, especially if you have 4 jack stands and you can do it all at one time. And then I just needed to do my back brakes because I just did my front brakes and I want them kind of equal. So they were squeaking a little bit, so I feel better about that. And then that's it. So thanks guys, hope you got something from this. Like, subscribe, follow, all that great stuff. Till next time.